Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you a simple and inspiring story. It is called The Poor Boy Who Became a Millionaire. This is a fictional story, but it teaches us an important lesson about hard work, patience, and hope. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Tom. He lived in a small village with his parents. His family had very little money. Sometimes they did not have enough food. Life was difficult, but Tom never complained. Every morning, Tom woke up before sunrise. He helped his parents at home, then he walked a long way to school. He loved learning new things. His teachers liked him because he was kind, honest, and hardworking. After school, Tom worked in a small grocery shop. He carried heavy boxes, cleaned the floor, and helped customers. The work was not easy, but he wanted to support his family. Many people laughed at Tom. They said, "You are poor. You will never become successful." Tom smiled and said, "Maybe I am poor today, but I will not stay poor forever." Every night after finishing his work, Tom read books. He learned about business, money, and successful people. He saved a small part of every dollar he earned. He believed that every small step could make a big difference. When Tom became older, he started a small business. At first, everything went wrong. He lost money, some customers stopped coming, many people told him to quit. But Tom remembered his dream. He did not give up. He learned from his mistakes. He worked harder than before and kept improving his business. Slowly, things began to change. More customers came. His business grew bigger every year. After many years of hard work, Tom became a millionaire. But success did not change his kind heart. He bought a comfortable home for his parents. He helped poor children go to school. He gave food to families in need and created jobs for many people. One day, a young boy asked him, "What is the secret of your success?" Tom smiled and replied, "Dream big, work hard, keep learning, never give up, even when life is difficult." And that is the lesson for all of us. Your future is not decided by where you start. It is decided by what you do every single day. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Goodbye.